Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question we given है कि cross section of three wire is shown in the following figure. If the current in the bottom two wire is opposite in the direction to each other as indicated by this sign for into the plane and this sign for out to the page, right? So this wire is the current in this wire is into the plane and current in this wire is out of the plane, and the top wire has current flowing into the page. So in the top the current in the wire is also flowing into the page. And what is the direction of the net force on the top wire? So इस टॉप वायर में नेट फोर्स कहाँ होगा ये हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, key concept, that is force on a current carrying wire. Current carrying wire, right? So let's say कि हमारे पास एक वायर है and the current flowing through it is I. Then the force on this wire will be equals to I into dl cross B, where B is the magnetic field and dl is the small length element in the current carrying wire. And the direction of the force is perpendicular to both the current element and the magnetic field vector, which we determine by using right hand thumb rule, right? Now if we see this wires in the bottom, then we can see that, let's say this is wire 1, this is wire 2 and this is wire 3. So in the wire 1 the current is flowing into the plane. That means the magnetic field is like in this direction, because in case of a current carrying wire we find the direction of magnetic field through right hand palm rule. So if you directed your thumb towards the direction of the current and fold your palm, then the magnetic field direction will be clockwise. So for the current, for the wire 1 to the wire 3, the magnetic field will act like in this direction. Let's say this is B1. And if we see the wire 2, then the magnetic field is like in this direction, because the current is flowing out of the plane. So due to the wire 2 on the wire 3, the magnetic field will be like this. Let's say this is B2. So the net magnetic field on the wire 3, that is on the top, let's say this is B net, that is on the same plane but acting downwards, right? And the current is perpendicular to the plane and going into the page. So from F equals to I into dl cross B, you can say from right hand rule that the force acting on the top wire will be in left direction, right? So our correct answer will be option A, that is left. So hope you understand it. Best of luck.